Welcome to Tremco Commercial Sealants and Waterproofing's introduction to ExoAir Flex Foam, a single component, high-performance, flexible gun-grade polyurethane foam that performs as a thermal barrier with an industry-leading movement range of plus and minus 15%. This equates to a movement accommodation factor of 30%. ExoAir Flex Foam is part of the T3 building solution system. T3 is a 3-level sealing system that incorporates a vapor-permeable weather seal for the outer seal, a thermal layer for the middle layer, and a vapor retarder for the inner seal. T3 Solutions is comprised of a family of products which work together to secure the seal in window-to-wall transitions while accommodating projects with large variance in window type, size, and geometry, as well as changes of plane with the bonding surface, as with crowd-sitting windows. Let's move on to testing. This clip captures a laboratory test where, after curing for 18 hours, ExoAir Flex Foam was put through the paces of compression and extension for more than 1,000 cycles for 166 hours. The end result of this flexibility test? Even after 1,000 testing cycles during which the original joint was stretched by and compressed to an extent of 1/8 or 15% in 10-minute intervals, the foam seal remained reliable. In addition to the flexibility test, ExoAir Flex Foam has gone through industry-standard testing, including AAMA 812, a voluntary practice for assessment of single-component aerosol expanding polyurethane foams, and ASTM D2842-06, the standard test method for water absorption of rigid cellular plastics, Procedure B. The results include AMA 812, ExoAir Flex Foam results indicates low potential for bowing or warping of windows and doors. ASTM D2842-06, after 96 hours of immersion, ExoAir Flex Foam had a 0.03% water absorption, which indicates there is little or no water absorption. Since the laboratory clip was shot in time-lapse so that the viewer could observe the effect in a short period of time, we are starting this simulation using a hand-crank test rig, filmed at a slower pace with the camera in close proximity to test subject to get a much closer look at the extension and compression capabilities of ExoAir Flex Foam. ExoAir 110 was applied to the mock rough opening, simulating materials typical to a window-to-wall connection where the foam would be used. As the sample is extended and compressed, it is actually moving beyond the 1/8 inch of the actual test and taking it to a stopping point of 1/4 inch. Notice that one side of the joint looks static, where in actuality, the face of the foam is being moved backwards and forwards, simulating shear movement. Notice how the ExoAir Flex Foam stays reliable. This next clip demonstrates a typical polyurethane foam designed for fenestrations products going through this same simulation. Notice from the start that the foam is already pulling away from the substrate and continues to fail as the extension continues until stopping at the 1/4 inch mark. Even in a short simulation, the foam cannot withstand the extension and compression. So now that you have a good visual reference for ExoAir Flex Foam's capabilities, let's recap. ExoAir Flex Foam capabilities include industry-leading movement range of plus and minus 15%, movement accommodation factor of 30%. CFC-free and can be applied over a wide temperature range. Minimal expanding low pressure so windows won't bow or warp. Non-rigid composition is highly flexible. Closed cell for minimal water absorption. Can trim or cut in 45 minutes. 5-year material-only warranty. ExoAir Flex Foam from Tremco Commercial Sealants and Waterproofing. High-performance solutions for the high-performance building.